Holy cow. Hi guys, we're going to Santa Monica today. It's super bright. Let me get out the sun. Oh, there we go. Yeah, we're going to Santa Monica. And it feels really great outside today. So everybody's here. Got KJ, sister, dad, brother, and his girlfriend. We're gonna head out there. I don't know if we're gonna take 2 different cars or not, because there's like 2, 4, 6 of us. We'll see. Oh, this is what it's looking like. Aren't you so happy I get to sit next to you?
Not really.
You love me. Well, they put me in the middle, in the front. So exciting. You so happy?
Not really.
Here you are.
I don't want to drive.
He's flying. Oh, you don't want to drive? Well, if you had a Tesla, that would not be a problem.
Yeah.
See you. Hi, KJ. Bye.
Dile Karina un poco enfrente porque la llevas.
Once again, same parking garage from the last time. Here. And also, I deadass just saw Danileigh in her G-Wagon down here somewhere. She's at that light over there.
Be careful.
So many people. Look at all the birds. Well, the seagulls. Seagulls.
Helicopter again!
Again?
Yeah!
I can barely see. So many cars.
Is that a duck?
It's a pigeon.
No, that's a...
Ew.
No!
No, it is. Ew.
Ma, look at the duck over there. The duck right there in the middle.
At the party, killed there Malcolm X, you know, Muhammad Ali, Montana Fly.
I know I look crazy. It was so freaking bright. I forgot to bring my sunglasses, so I got my sister's sunglasses.
Eagle.
So now I can legit not breathe because it's like holding this top part down. And it's just super bright. So my brother is about to fly his drone over to the other side and take a picture of us. Say hi, KJ.
Hi.
We're going now, and it's like super bright because the sun is like literally right here, and I'm getting blinded. This is what we have going on right now. Drone over and took some pictures of us, or at least tried to, because like I said, that sun was like in the way and it's still blinding me right now. But we're over here chilling, trying to take some like extra pictures for Instagram and whatnot. KJ keeps looking out of this little thing here. He can't see anything out of it because, I mean, you obviously have to pay for it.
A coin in here.
A coin? But we're probably about to get some stuff to eat because KJ keeps bothering me about food. He always wants food. We're gonna go get some snacks and stuff and some souvenirs maybe. Shout out to you for all the drone footage that we get.
Holy shit, you're farter.
We got some buffalo chicken fries, and KJ got tenders and chicken nuggets. Well, chicken tenders. Chicken tenders and fries, whatever, same thing.
I don't have cheese fries.
So we are now leaving the pier. We ate such good food, you guys. Well, at least I did. Those fries were like really bomb. KJ, all he ate was his fries. And then my brother had a funnel cake with like strawberries on it. It was really good. It was fire. It was fire. Dude, I'm smelling something. It smells a little herby out here. I'm out of breath, man. What do we do? 4 flights upstairs? I am tired.
Me too.
Oh man.
Tired of
We made it back to the truck. I don't know where we're going next, but I'm sure I'll be in the vlog. KJ's mad because he lost. Ha ha. Stop! Don't do that. That R8.
I won.
It's not a race.
Wow.
Said that.
Yeah, we're leaving. And we're still out of breath. Ooh.
I can't see, Grandpa. I cannot see. Because I gotta see. I gotta see.
See what?
The
A, B, C.
No, I gotta see.
And a D and an E and an F.
Yeah. No, you're blocking my eyes.
So you guys, don't judge, don't judge, do not judge. I know, I look scary. But we are home. We played beer pong for a little bit, but my dad is grilling and I guess he taught KJ how to like flip the steak on there. So we're gonna go out there because they're making carne asada. And I'm gonna show you. I came back here because obviously we can hear the music in the back. I can't have that music in my vlog. So I'm back here recording this and then you wouldn't even be able to hear me over his music. So we're gonna go outside in the back and show you what they're doing.
Oh yeah.
Oh, come on, Mr. Chef. Open it. Open it.
You gotta do it.
Yeah, Mr. Chef. Yeah, Mr. Chef. Yeah. Mr. Chef.
I cannot pick it up.
Okay. Hey, close it. Close it, Mr. Chef. Close it. Yeah.
Mine. Do a slow in motion. Try it.